Hey Mac friends, it's Dana here again from MacMedics. In a former life, I was a shipping manager, so I'm going to give you some holiday shipping tips if you're sending something. So this is a box that came from our distributor. So if you're shipping something out this holiday season, put a label on, make sure it's firmly attached. And if it's something that's exceptionally valuable, one thing that can happen is, especially if the bad guys in the shipping stream might have an idea what's in the box, like if it were an Apple box, this happened to me a few months ago, is they just stick a label to themselves or a third party over your shipping label, and then guess what? Your box just disappears and your valuable computer gets sent to them or their representative. So you can print two of these labels, put one on the front and then put one on the back. Also, make sure all these routing labels have been removed. And when you're shipping, you can see they only put one layer of tape on here. And you can see it barely holds the box together. So when you're shipping it, make sure it's firmly closed, and you should put a piece of tape across here and a piece of tape across here, so all seams of the box are firmly sealed. Another thing to do is inside the box, put a copy of your shipping label in the box. That way, if the postal people lose the label on here, they open the box up, it will have identifying information inside the box that tells them where it needs to go. Another trick is if you're sending something exceptionally valuable, you can put an AirTag in the box and track your shipment. And that way, if it goes off route and it ends up in a place where it's not supposed to be, you could alert the authorities and they could track your package to where it's sitting. So just a few little tips for the holidays. There's so many packages flying around. Make sure your packing label is firmly attached to the box. If you are going to use packing tape, make sure you leave a slit through the tape for it to be scanned, because sometimes the packing tape will reflect the laser off the label and it'll get misrouted. Hope that helps. And make sure if you're shipping a computer, you always have a backup of the data before you're shipping it, and make sure your data is encrypted and the unit is password protected and that the unit has Find My on. Stay safe out there and happy holidays.